this next item, this is neither a Bootstrap element or HTML element, but it is a very often used item on many websites. So it is called an exit pop-up. And what happens is, like on some websites, when you take the mouse cursor outside of the page, there is this pop-up which gives you some incentive to stay on the website. So this will help you create that pop-up. So let's say I have this large pop-up, and inside this I have some text. So I'll just add a paragraph inside my pop-up, and then I can say, please don't leave. I personally am not a fan of this item, but a lot of people like to use it. So I have this here. So by default, you will not see this on the page. So I'll just add a heading just to add something to the page. And now I'll go to the instant preview. And as you can see, that exit pop-up is not visible, but if I try to leave the site, then it shows this pop-up. And maybe you can add like a button to it or some link to it, like to resume, or maybe you can add a form. So this is how the exit pop-up works.